Go follow daddy.
I'm not doing it.
We came from up there. Now we're gonna try this other area. Seaman, no pets allowed.
I said I saw it before. Who's gonna make it up the mountain? No running.
Well, by saying that, you're telling them to run. Oh, people are barbecuing up there.
Walk on the wood. Mike.
What is this?
I'll walk on the wood. Look, Mark.
Me too. We're walking on the road.
You see, if you have two sticks, it's harder to walk. You need one only. Give me one, Mark.
Here.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't think there's anything up there.
There might be something up there.
There might be something up there.
Do you want to see what's up there?
Yeah.
You want to see their surprise?
What is it?
I don't know. We're gonna see. It's a surprisey. When it's your first time going up there, it's a surprisey.
I saved myself.
I wonder how many trips that bus does every day.
You got it, Mark?
I guess over here is
Go
faster.
ahead, keep walking.
Well, good save, Mark. That's it. There's a trail.
In there. Go ahead, Mark.
Huh?
We should open the corn.
Let's go.
Let's go open it.
Just walk on the grass. Look at that mushroom. Right here. Right here.
That's a big one.
Don't mash it. Leave it.
What's that kind of thing?
I don't know anything about mushroom, but it just looks like mushrooms.
I see another mushroom.
Yeah, it's smaller.
I never seen another good mushroom.
The good ones we eat. We usually buy them.
What, Mommy?
I guess that's it.
Can you get him? There's more. Good enough there.
You gonna do it?
Shall we?
You got skills. You got skittles. You got skills. Let me see how fast you could do it. I don't. Okay, who wants to go? Who wants to follow the trail?
Mommy,
Maybe.
Wait.
Oh.
Mommy.
I forgot you were telling me to put it back.
Whoa.
You got skittles too. Oh. Uh-oh.
No, you're not.
All right, let's do the trail.
Come on, guys.
Oh.
That barbecue smells good.
You know I don't need to step like I actually just did it. Daddy!
Oh.
Not this one!
All right, let's go.
Here, Michael.
I'm staying.
You staying? I'm going with Daddy.
Like, I want
You want to stay with the strangers over there?
where?
They're eating over there. I don't know them. You want to stay with them?
No.
All right, so follow Daddy.
But I want that to carry me.
What?
There's not a pine cone.
Hold my hand, you silly.
I see pine cone.
We'll do a little bit hiking and then,
What, he doesn't want to go?
yeah. Let's see what's over there. Is there a trail?
Wait, I don't need this. I'm not gonna use it.
I'm GPS because Michael doesn't want to do it.
Why will he go there?
That's it.
All right, get down. Get down. All right.
Where's Daddy?
Just follow the path. Mommy forgot to put your sneakers.
Come on, walk. You want a walking stick, Mom?
I'm good.
Michael? Go ahead, climb over. Can you do it?
Michael, wait, okay? You don't need to be in a rush. Wonder where that takes us. What? You hit him?
No, he hit it and he hit the rock and they bounced. Let me see. What does it hurt?
He doesn't really want to do it. Michael, wait!
Come, I hold your hand. Okay, go, Mom. You go. Let me go first. Don't hit anything, okay?
Hiking with kids. He didn't really want to go, but we're sort of forcing him. And he's hitting himself. Yeah, but you don't need to be running, okay? We're in the woods, and Mommy's not that good looking in you. Stop. You see, there's like a... Yeah, hold my hand. You want Daddy's hand? Okay, he wants your hand. Shoot. I think that's it. What?
Daddy face you, right? Okay, I fixed it. Well, I'm gonna make it clear. Okay, let's turn back. Okay? Mom doesn't want to do it and you don't want to do it.
I don't do it because he doesn't want to do it. Alright, take the thing off his chest. Put him here. Don't walk on those areas.
Like that. Hold Mommy's hand. Which feet? Hold it.
I'll hold it.
Can I put it down on the wall? Can I put it on the wall, Daddy?
Okay?
Go.
Much better now?
Go. Yeah? Here, why don't we give Mommy a stick and then I
It's
walk
okay. You want me to get your stick or his stick?
his stick.
Not my stick.
Okay. Alright, this is too much for you guys, I think.
I think they're just a bit tired.
You want to go back?
No.
Okay, go.
I see the mushroom.
You see mushroom? Michael, don't do that, please.
This is a mushroom.
Go ahead.
Snacks.
Go down. What? You did the whole thing, Mom?
Wow, Michael is the GPS. Look at him.
Wait. Go ahead.
Good job.
Wait for me. Be careful, man. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, Michael. Wow, this is a little too dangerous, I think.
Should we go back?
We'll see a little more.
Look at Michael. Michael doesn't want to go
I
back.
want to see the fish.
I think it's taking us all the way down the mountain. And then we have to walk up to get to the car?
Yeah.
No, so that's enough. I don't want to walk up that hill.
You hear, Michael? That's it. This
All right.
is too far down. Let's go. All right, let's go back.
Remember when we were up there and I screamed at you to get off the rock? You were gonna roll down down here. So
Lead the way back. We don't know the way back.
yeah, you GPS, come back.
Come, show us the way. Don't, wait.
Wait until Mark comes, please, please.
Go.
Good job. My 2 GPS. Go ahead.
What about me?
My 3 GPS.
Walk over here now, not in the middle. No, Michael.
He's going all the hard ways.
Point down like this.
See, it will be much harder to come back up. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you were waiting for me. Good job, Mark. You're a trooper. Whoa, almost hit my. Yeah, it's more. This is definitely going down the hill.
Oh, you see? You okay? Go on, Mark.
GPS, hold on. He has something behind his feet. What is that?
Michael, go! Wrong way. Follow the dirt. That way. Huh? What did you say?
Everything goes in my shoe.
Alright, we'll clean your shoes.
Up there. You need to find a clear place to clean that. Look at that.
I should bring your sneakers. I think that sneakers is too small for him now.
Which shoe?
The black shoe sneaker.
shoe, Mike?
I'm looking at this, yeah.
Oh.
It looks like some sort of a... Don't even touch it. When you get in the car.
Hold on.
The back of his shoes, don't touch it. His feet is...
Give me your feet. Give me your feet.
Is there a dirty thing?
Go.
Alright.
What do you say? Who?
You, Daddy. Yay, you guys found the way back. Man, I'm right behind you. Please stop. Alright, let's go. No, at least we tried it. We see what's there. Probably, I don't know. All right, be careful now. All right, go in the...
No, Michael.
All right, people are coming. Put the stick down, Michael.
Give me a stick.
Come on.
You go. I'm focused on Michael. Give me one stick, Michael, and turn one with around.
All right, walk.
Give me that.
It's okay. Go down, please. Go down before people start coming back up. I think they're tired. Let's go. All right, let's go. No, it wasn't Michael's fault. There's no blood.
Sit down. Down the mountain.
We're looking at Michael's videos.
Are you ready to go down and look at the mountain?
I don't think it's coming back yet. Bucket is only $10. Well, if you live around here, I guess, to come and do picnic or whatever the whole day, I think it's okay. But there's not food there. Yeah. But,